What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where the Ferrari Purosangue SUV Spied testing, and it's looking uglier than ever behind that thick camouflage. And after it went full commando last week with the pictures of the pre-production model taken in the factory, the 2023 Ferrari Purosangue has now dressed up again in this thick, ugly camouflage for some cold weather testing, keeping it warm. Now, looking more like a jacked up station wagon than an SUV, this prototype acted as if no one has seen the leaks, but we have, and we know what to expect in the terms of design, namely a split headlamp signature that reminds you of the SF90, and a grille mounted in the middle of the bumper, flanked by the side air intakes. Now, the back end of the super SUV developed in Maranello is defined by a muscular tailgate with 4 taillights that resemble those of the 296 GTB, and it will also feature an aggressive diffuser with cutouts for the quad exhaust pipes, as well as plastic cladding on the lower parts of the body because, of all things, it's a high rider SUV. Now, one of the big unknowns for the 2023 Ferrari Purosangue is the powertrain lineup. Nevertheless, it has been reported that a turbocharged mill with an electric assistance might be offered at launch, and this might be the V6 hybrid from the 296 GTB. Now, the same engine, a belt without the electronic motor, might join the family too. Some believe that it could also be a twin-turbo V8 from the SF90 Stradale, probably missing the electric motors, and other people have gone as far as stating that the range-topping variant could pack the 812 Superfast naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12. But officially, we don't know anything about that powertrain. But at least we do know that the Ferrari Purosangue will enter production later this year, as Ferrari has recently confirmed. So deliveries of the first ever Ferrari SUV, which will inevitably take on the likes of the Lamborghini Urus and the Aston Martin DBX, will kick off in 2023. So with that said, more spy shots, a little bit more covered this time. But what do you guys think? What are your opinions after seeing those spy photos of the new Ferrari Purosangue SUV? Have you gotten more excited about it, or is it still an abomination in your eyes? Let me know down in the comments below. And with that said, if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings. More people can see it, and we can have a bigger discussion on seeing, again, the new Ferrari Purosangue SUV wrapped in some thick, ugly camouflage. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel, always check the links down below. I have a one-time link donation for my Patreon, my PayPal, my Cash App, and my Venmo, just in case you guys want to donate a couple extra dollars to the channel. I appreciate the love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You can also check out the Ron's Rides merch in case you guys want long sleeve shirts, stickers, hoodies, tank tops, everything Ron's Rides is there. Now, I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, Ferrari, Maserati, and Alfa Romeo that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.